What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Today's video is brought to you guys by a Black-owned hair company. The name of the hair company is TTT Hair. So this is exactly what the unit came in. Just go ahead and get into all of the details of this hair. So this wig style is called the Tiffany wig on her website. So if you head over there and type it in her search box, it'll pop up. But better yet, everything that you guys need to know will be in the description box. I like this wig so much more than I thought I would. I mean, I knew I would like it because I need to like try new things when it comes to hair, but I love the length on me. I love the cut. I love the way that the hair looks. I love that the way that it feels. It looks extremely natural. Like this looks like my natural hair. Like I'm absolutely obsessed with this wig. I was very grateful when she reached out to me. No issues with her communication or anything like that. Customer service, amazing. And shipping was pretty fast too. I didn't do anything to this wig at all. The wig literally came just like this. She already bleached the knots on the unit and she already plucked it and she already had it styled. Of course, in the packaging, the direction of which it was flipped was in the opposite direction. That probably happened just from it coming through the mail, but it was pretty much just a simple, easy install. I didn't do anything to it as far as customization. I didn't even have to go in and put my foundation color under this lace, and I believe this is medium brown lace, but look how flawlessly it blends into the skin. You guys bear with me. I tried to do the little like bump it on the ends, but I have a feeling that I might not have done it correctly, but that's okay. We're just gonna roll with it anyway, because what I'm going to do, because it has these beautiful layers in it, I'm going to like reverse curl it. I'm going to curl it in a different direction, but we'll get to that in a second. So I also want to highlight all of the units come customized basically. So she bleaches the knots on her units and she plucks them. So that is one less thing that you guys have to do, and that's why I say that this is like the perfect wig for a beginner and for those who are like new to wigs and you don't really know what you're doing. These wigs like this come in handy. And then you guys also, this is a 4x4 lace closure wig. I feel like I have not seen these in such a long time. It's actually been quite a while since I've even had a 4x4 lace closure, but honestly it seems a little bit bigger than that because the edge of the closure is right here. You have more than enough space. You know, you could do a side part on this type of wig if you wanted to. Look at the natural luster and the shine of this hair. It's really, really dark. I'm gonna have to double check and see if this is a natural black. I'm pretty sure it said 1B in the description, so check my description box for the most accurate details. I didn't really do like, you know, dramatic baby hairs. I kind of just, I think it already came with baby hairs. I just cut them a little bit shorter and then just kind of like, you know, left them out or whatever. I want them to just be very like barely there, just kind of, you know, real soft and airy and natural, and that is exactly what this hair is giving. Wig is definitely giving 90s inspired, you know, cut short 90s inspired haircut. Oh, and if I didn't already mention, the length of this wig is 18 inches, and this is a medium cap size. So initially when I tried it on, it was a little bit big, so I feel like it is medium and big head friendly for me because I get everything in a size small. I did just have to kind of tighten the adjustable straps in this wig a little bit tighter than usual just so I can get like a snug fit. So it's like nothing to worry about. I'm just saying when I initially tried it on, it felt a little bit roomy, so I had to just kind of tailor it to my liking, and that is why adjustable straps are put into wigs. There's combs in here too. There's 2 in the front and 1 in the back, but the only thing that I'm using is the comb in the back and then the straps on this wig. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style this wig, just kind of play around with this, see what other hairstyles I can do with it, and then that will pretty much conclude this video.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong.